Today we are going to discuss about components of flexible manufacturing system. So let's start with what is flexible manufacturing system. Flexible manufacturing system is an integration of workstations, material handling and storage system and computer control system. The objective of this integration is to increase the flexibility of production of parts. Usually parts are of multiple varieties. Multiple varieties can be produced in flexible manufacturing system. So the main goal is to increase the machine utilization by implementing lights out manufacturing. Lights out manufacturing is nothing but the production of parts 24 by 7. If a manufacturing system is able to produce parts 24 by 7, then it is known as lights out manufacturing. We want machine utilization to be maximum in flexible manufacturing system so that more number of parts can be manufactured and thus overall cost of the manufactured products will be less, which gives a competitive edge to the manufacturing industry in the market. Maximum machine utilization can be achieved through the integration of components of flexible manufacturing system. So what are the main components of flexible manufacturing system? Flexible manufacturing system has three main components. They are workstations, material handling and storage systems, computer control system. In flexible manufacturing system, we need to reduce the use of human machine operators or workers, but it's not possible in few scenarios. So we use workers wherever it is not possible to automate or to computerize. The first component of flexible manufacturing system is workstations. Workstations are usually equipped with CNC machines for machining operations. So, what are the different types of workstations? Machining centers, loading and unloading stations, assembly workstations, inspection, forging, sheet metal processing workstations, etc. In machining workstation, as said earlier, CNC machines are used in machining stations because of certain features like CNC machines can include automatic tool changer. It can change the tools automatically in less time and can store multiple number of tools. It has some tool storage capacity. We can use palletized work parts for quick and easy setup of work parts in CNC machines to perform machining operations. Some of the machining operations are turning, tapering, facing, milling, drilling, etc. Next workstation is loading and unloading station. Raw materials enter into the station and finished parts exit the system. Loading and unloading can be done manually. For parts that are too heavy to lift by the operator, mechanized cranes and other handling devices can be used to assist the operator or worker. Loading and unloading stations must be designed ergonomically to permit convenient and safe movement of work parts. The next station is assembly station. Assembly stations are designed to perform assembly operations. Industrial robots are often used as the automated workstations in assembly system. We can program these robots to perform tasks with variations in sequence and motion patterns to accommodate different product styles assembled in the system. Other stations and equipments are inspection stations. We can perform inspections on the parts with the help of CMM, coordinate measuring machines. We can use special inspection probes, CMMs, and machine vision. Inspection ensures that the parts produced are up to the standard and that is as per the specifications. To reduce loss due to defects, to maintain quality of products, we need inspection. Next component of flexible manufacturing system is material handling and storage system. Parts must be able to move from one machine to another machine. This movement can be achieved with the help of material handling equipment. Material handling equipment must handle a variety of work parts. Material handling system carries some number of parts, moves those parts from one place to another. So we can consider the material handling system has a temporary storage system. Each station has a small queue of parts waiting to be processed, which helps to increase machine utilization. Compatibility with computer control. The material handling system must be capable of being controlled directly by the computer system to direct it to various locations such as workstations, to loading and unloading stations, and to storage areas. Material handling equipment is of two types. They are primary handling system and secondary handling system. In primary handling system, parts are being moved from one workstation to another workstation. And whereas in secondary handling system, parts are transferred from primary handling system to machine tool or equipment so that operations can be done. It can be processing operations or it can be assembly operations. Last component is computer control system. The objective of computer control system is to control each workstation for some specific work. The computer control system distributes the control instructions to workstations. Production control, traffic control, material handling system controls, and monitoring of system can be achieved by computer control system. Let's have a quick recap. We started with the definition of flexible manufacturing system, the integration of workstations, material handling and storage system, and computer control system. And I have stated the objective of FMS, that is to increase the flexibility of production of parts, flexibility in terms of part variety, and the main goal of FMS is to increase machine utilization by implementing lights out manufacturing. And then the main components of FMS are workstation, material handling and storage system, and computer control system. First component of FMS is workstations. We perform machining operations or assembly operations or inspection. Types of workstations are machining centers, loading and unloading stations, assembly workstations, inspection stations, forging stations, sheet metal processing stations. Next component of flexible manufacturing system is material handling system and storage system. There are two types of material handling systems. They are primary material handling system and secondary material handling system. And then the last component of FMS is computer control system. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more engineering concepts.